Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fantastic by the mercy of Almighty Allah. So right now I am in the field where there are so many football lovers, so many players. They are being ready for football match in this evening. So they have offered me to play football with them, but to be honest, I am not being able to work hard. Like football is a kind of hard-working game, and there is a kind of fancy about the game between football or cricket. What I'm saying, because I love to watch football match, but I can't play the football. But mostly I love to play cricket, but I don't like to watch. So look behind me. There are many players. They are being ready. They haven't been started the game. They are just being ready. Yes, I am making this video with you guys. So I'm really enjoy. They are really enjoying that I am making video with them in this time. Daddy, I wish I could play with them. I really love that, but I don't feel like to work hard like them. They are really younger, and once upon a time, like when I was like them, I would play football every single day. Yes. So what are you saying?
আমাদের একজন ইংলিশ ম্যান আছে, সে ইংরেজিতে বক্তব্য দিচ্ছে বিদায় অনুষ্ঠানে।
Okay.
সো আপনি যদি ওখান থেকে কিছু চ্যালেঞ্জ অ্যাকসেপ্ট করেন তো আমরা উপকৃত হব।
So call him here. Though I'm making this video, I can't go anywhere. So সবাইকে দেখাবো. So hey guys, he want to be with camera, though they are very charmed. So guys, thanks for watching this full video. Have a lovely time.